What's going on, LinkedIn family? Put a finger down if this is you. Your LinkedIn profile reads like a resume. Boring. You have stagnant follower growth that doesn't fill your sales pipeline. You're occasionally DMs from others, not from your ideal client. Struggling to communicate 100% everything that you do, real value of your offer. Your profile views, aka website statistic, are not going up despite showing up consistently on LinkedIn. So how many fingers do you have left? Shh. No worries, that's a secret between you and me. I call these a Cheesecake Factory LinkedIn profile. So you might ask, Salina, what is this restaurant and your LinkedIn profile can't afford to have in common? I'm going to walk you through some of the biggest LinkedIn mistakes I've ever seen over and over and over again, how to get rid of them. So stay until the very end because I'm going to show you how you can get your hands to my free ultimate rock your LinkedIn profile checklist. So you might want to stick around for this. Hi, I'm Salina Yeung, the founder of the In Academy. I built 6-figure business in just 2 years using LinkedIn and LinkedIn only. My number one goal for this YouTube channel is to document my journey, share what's working and what is not, take out all the guesswork of building a successful brand on LinkedIn. I believe in making LinkedIn for you. Okay, let's dive in. So Salina, what is one of the biggest LinkedIn profile mistakes you have seen over and over again? Presenting your profile viewers and followers with too many messaging. Wait. I love me some cheesecake though, Salina. But for this explanation, we're going to narrow down our diagnosis. I want you to think about the moment when you're opening up the Cheesecake Factory menu. What is it? It's too many options. In fact, over 5,800 words, 280 items, and another skinny-licious menu? Come on now. Their approach? Trying to serve something to everybody. I see LinkedIn profiles like this all the time. Confused industry versus niche. Everything is about me. Slapping all the irrelevant keyword on your headline, overwhelming list of your product, services, and offers, competing call to action in your feature section. Boring vanilla summary that stop your profile viewers from following you. Aimless, directionless, clientless LinkedIn business profile funnel. Yep, that's a Cheesecake Factory LinkedIn profiles. Why? The more options are available, the longer it takes for someone to make a decision what to do. Haven't you heard about it? Hyman law? While a lot of us might think that more option, information, and messaging would be better, but let me tell you, a large percentage of the people got confused, overwhelmed, and stuck at doing nothing, including buying from you. In short, your enemy of conversion is confusion. And it doesn't have to be this way. We own an exclusive framework within LinkedIn Personal Brand Boss talking about define, grow, and attract that create a no BS, follow-worthy personal brand strategies that attract your ideal clients and transform your LinkedIn into a highly converting sales page. Here are the 3 tips from phase 1. Define. To help creating your ultimate LinkedIn profile that converts. LinkedIn strategies that Ryan Rolansky can't mess with. CEO of LinkedIn. Define in Personal Brand Boss. We break down a step-by-step guide to define your magnetic personal brand messaging. You have actually an average 8 seconds to capture your profile viewers' attention to whether or not follow you or DM you. So ask yourself and define your 6 W's. Your why, what you're all about, who are your best fit clients, where did they hang out, when do they need your solution, and how do you help them. You didn't want to skip the step. This is where your uncopyable online personas begin. Truly, this is really the foundation. So I want you to think about this because anyone can teach tactics. Anybody can look up how to teach showing up confidence in front of camera on YouTube. Copy it, put it out there as their own. When you create a business based on your own unique experience and transformation, it becomes uncopyable. So transformation over information at all times. Your LinkedIn business profile will be built in a way that allows your audience to go from unaware, which is problem aware, to solution aware, you, and then deal with you, your solution. For example, a health coach specializing in intuitive eating. For problem aware stage, a lead will be saying, I love the idea of intuitive eating, but I have some concern. How can I really do this portion control? Does this help with stress eating too? Let me look into binge eating habits. And then solution aware phase will be, your lead will be saying something like, I like Coach Rebecca. I discover her LinkedIn profile and read her origin story. Perhaps this other program would suffice, but it doesn't quite seem to as comprehensive as Rebecca's intuitive eating program on her LinkedIn feature section. I'll attend one of her lives and ask a few questions and see how it goes, and say, consider me sold. Then moving on to the last stage, deal, aka your lead is making decision. I resonate with every word that you said. I was saying, that's me. The entire training, it was all exactly what I need to see and feel to make that choice. I like her coaching style too. I'm a bit scared, but I'm ready to do this. There you have it. I really appreciate you watching today's video, and I really hope that understanding not to be a Cheesecake Factory LinkedIn profile can truly help you to get one step closer to be the CEO that you desire to be and attract your ideal customers using powerful magnetic personal brand, create a highly converting LinkedIn profile that succinctly communicates the value of your business and will attract best fit clients for the years to come. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much for watching this. I cannot wait to see you next week. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss out on any other juicy LinkedIn tips from me, yours truly, your LinkedIn biggest cheerleader. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Check out everything in the links below and some of the juiciest stuff to help you to succeed on LinkedIn. We have another video coming next week, so stay tuned for that, where I will continue to share helpful tips about LinkedIn and my journey of building the In Academy. I cannot wait to see you again next week, insiders. Bye for now.